Hi, I'm Leilani Songer, and I just finished doing the Master Breastfeeding Summit. And I know a lot of people came, and it was really amazing. So many great speakers, but I bet you have some questions. So I am going to be hosting a 1 hour workshop just today at 4:30 PST time. And I'm inviting you to come and get your answers to the questions that you have. If you saw it or maybe you didn't see it, it is all about breastfeeding. It's all about how to navigate through the system, whether you're dealing with a pediatrician or you're dealing with confusion or fear or just some obstacles or whatever that might be. Maybe you're having a great time and maybe you don't even know that you have some questions until you start listening to the other people talking and asking. So I invite you to come on. Please join me. Look at the link below. Sign up. It's not too late. We have 1 hour before we start. I look forward to seeing you there. Oh, and by the way, it's free.